Hi there, students. Tranche. A tranche. A countable noun. A tranche, the basic meaning is a piece of something. But they use this particularly in economics and finance. So the debt will be paid in 3 tranches, 3 pieces, 3 installments. Okay? So this word tranche, one of several parts of a financial arrangement. So, I don't know, if you buy a house and you get a mortgage, the mortgage will be payable in 100 tranches, for example. Yeah? Or maybe a company is selling shares in that company and they will do it in various tranches. The second tranche of 100 million euros worth of shares will be sold next month. Okay, so the second group, the second part, the second arrangement, yeah, a tranche of shares. He sold his tranche of shares in the company. Okay, I guess you can use it for other things as well, as in a piece of something or a section of something, although it's probably a bit formal. Let's see, if you've got lots of clothes to wash, maybe you separate them into different tranches. Things that are very dirty and will take a lot of heat, things that with colours that are rather sensitive, and maybe another tranche of things that you want to wash in cold water. Yeah, the government will provide the funding in 3 tranches. If we don't get moving, we risk losing the next tranche of investors, the next group. Yeah, so it's a group of things, a portion, an installment. Okay, but typically in stock markets, they divide types of shares into tranches of different risk. So there's a low risk tranche, a medium risk tranche, and a high risk tranche. And you want different proportions of your money invested in different tranches. Okay, so a tranche, a section, an installment, a portion of a total. Yeah, especially a block of assets or a group of assets. So he sold his tranche of the company. You could just about, I guess, use it to talk about a cut or a slice of meat, a tranche of meat. And that's because of the origin of this word. The word itself comes from French, tranche, meaning a slice, or trancher, to slice, to cut, which itself comes from vulgar Latin, trincare, to cut into 3. Okay, so a tranche, a slice, a section, a portion of it. Maybe the office is divided into different tranches. There's an area for finance, there's an area for operations, and there's an area for human resources. Okay, so different tranches, yeah, different sections, different cuts. So as to formality, this is quite a formal business word. I think I'd probably give it, I think I'm going to give it 7 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I probably wouldn't use it in a semi-formal conversation unless it was a business conversation. And this word is great to use in a business or an economics conversation, which is probably going to be semi-formal anyway. Yeah, okay, so a tranche, an installment, a piece of something, a group of things that are together, a group of similar things that the same thing is going to happen to it. I guess there are different tranches of society. There are the extremely rich, there are the middle classes, and then there's the rest of us, the workers. Okay, so into 3 different tranches. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. tranche.